Good morning, everyone. It's good to see you this morning. Thank you for being here. My name is Reverend Mark Granfors-Hunt. I'm the Potomac Association Treasurer this year, along with Court Buchanan, who's the Associate Treasurer, and we're pleased to bring you this morning a brief overview of the finances of the association. Because there's nothing more fun to do on a Saturday morning than looking at a church budget. So we'll start out with our balance sheet. This is our total assets, how much we have in the banks. We have 3 accounts: checking account, a Virginia Commerce Bank, and SunTrust money market account. You can see the numbers here that total up to $126,441.85. That's cash in the bank, our assets. We need to then see what our liabilities are. We have all of this cash, but some of it is spoken for. Let's see what that means. Okay, this is how we account for all of that cash. $40,961 is carried over from last year. $22,855 is unrestricted net assets. That's from what we've collected so far this year and have not spent. We do have restricted funding. Restricted funding means we're supposed to spend it in the ways that it has been designated to be spent, and that's $38,899. A net income of $23,725, which totals up to $126,441. So the next thing that I would like you to know, I mentioned those restricted funds, that money that is designated to be used in certain ways. Here is a list of the Potomac Association designated funds. You'll see Women's Coordinating Committee, WCC Scholarship, Stanley Scholarship, Seminary Gift Fund, Association Self-Study, Other Reserves, and Potomac Youth Mission Fund, totaling $38,899. Now, let's take a look at our income this year and how we've spent some of that income. So in assessment money, we've recorded $45,854 that we've received. We received interest in the whopping amount of $4.49 from our SunTrust money market account. For special events and other income, we've received $2,500. And there's $776. We're trying to figure out exactly if that's an apportionment or what, but we still have it. It's in the bank. So our total income for this calendar year through May 31st, $49,135.19. Expenses. There's 2 slides here of expenses. This is how we've expended some of the money that you've granted us to expend as you have approved. We've given some money to our 3 campus ministries. You can see them listed here. DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Those are the 3 campus ministries that we support. We've also given money to the Shaw Community Center and some general committee expenses of $1,000 for a total of $16,250. In addition, expenses, we have some general operating expenses, bookkeeping, things like that, website and email, and administrative support to the CAC. That's 2 quarters worth of support for administrative services that we give to the Central Atlantic Conference. The total expenses from both of these slides is $25,410.16. So the total income over expense, $49,135, take away $25,410, and our net income to date is $25,725. So really that's what we've got cash in bank from this year to spend on more expenses. Now let's take a quick look at church giving this year. $107,840. That's the amount that was assessed to local congregations for the calendar year 2020. $45,454.70. That is the amount that has been received from local congregations. 42.5%, that is received of the total amount assessed. So we've received 42.5% of what's been assessed. 32. What the heck is 32? It is the number of congregations that have been assessed. 19. What is that number? It is the number of congregations that have responded by contributing funds to their assessed values, to their assessments. 14 is the number of congregations that have already paid 100% of their 2020 assessments. Thank you, you 14 congregations, for taking care of that. 13 is the number of congregations that have yet to respond, and we pray for you that you may discern carefully and that your finances will be such that you may respond. Now, thank you. I want to thank all of you very much in the association, pastors, lay people, treasurers, everybody having to do with anything with the association, especially since I'm treasurer from the finances. Wherever we are, whatever we do, God is with us. And I just really want to thank you very much for your time. And I hope the rest of this meeting is very enlightening and enlivening for you. Thank you.